Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful content. MDLIVE offers a convenient and accessible way to connect with board-certified pediatricians, providing quality virtual care for children from the comfort of your home. Whether it's a common illness, a follow-up appointment, or general pediatric advice, MDLIVE can help. Let's delve into some frequently asked questions about pediatric virtual visits. Many parents wonder about the types of conditions pediatricians can address online. MDLIVE's pediatric services cover a broad range of common childhood illnesses, including cold and flu symptoms, allergies, rashes, pink eye, ear infections, and more. They can also provide support for managing chronic conditions and offer guidance on developmental milestones. If your child's situation requires in-person care, the pediatrician can make appropriate recommendations and referrals. A virtual visit with a pediatrician through MDLIVE is remarkably simple. You start by selecting a provider who is licensed in your state and scheduling an appointment online or via the MDLIVE app. During the appointment, the pediatrician will discuss your child's symptoms, medical history, and any concerns you might have. They can then diagnose the issue and recommend a treatment plan. This might include prescriptions if necessary, ensuring your child receives the appropriate care. Accessibility is a significant advantage of telehealth. MDLIVE pediatric services are available 24/7, including nights, weekends, and holidays. This flexibility eliminates the need to wait for regular office hours or urgent care availability, ensuring timely medical attention for your child when they need it most. Moreover, you can access these services from anywhere with an internet connection, making it particularly helpful for families on the go or those living in areas with limited access to pediatric specialists. Parents often have questions about costs. The cost of a virtual visit with a pediatrician on MDLIVE may vary depending on your insurance plan. Many plans cover telehealth visits, and MDLIVE works with numerous major insurance providers. It's recommended to check your specific plan details for coverage information. For those without insurance or for services not covered, MDLIVE offers transparent and competitive self-pay rates. Finally, parents are naturally concerned about the quality of virtual care. Rest assured that MDLIVE pediatricians are board-certified and licensed, adhering to the same high standards of care as in-person visits. They are experienced in providing virtual pediatric consultations and committed to delivering personalized, attentive care to every child. Using a secure platform, MDLIVE ensures the privacy and confidentiality of your child's health information.